Hi, it's Pheelix from Inclusive Music, teaching the world to create music with BandLab. Ever wondered how popular artists create those amazing songs that we love? Well, all will be revealed in this video. Coming up! For this example, I'm going to use Lewis Capaldi's Someone You Loved, a beautiful song that topped the US charts and was a massive global sensation. Let's go to freemidi.org. Here I did a MIDI search and found Someone You Loved by Lewis Capaldi. You can listen to the song by clicking on the black play button. This is worth doing as MIDI files vary in quality. If you like what you hear, click on Download MIDI. Log into BandLab. Click on Create. Click on Import Audio/MIDI. Find the MIDI file you've just downloaded, click on it and click Open. In this song, there are just two tracks, the melody on the top and the piano part on the bottom. Click play and have a listen. If you solo the top track, you can hear it on its own. Rewind. As you listen, you can see that the lines trigger the piano sound, and the higher up the lines are, the higher up the pitch is. The same is true of the line length. This represents how long the note is held for. Solo the second track and listen to that. Let's focus on these four notes. To find out what these first four notes are, click on the grand piano icon. A keyboard will appear. Click on this icon to undock the piano. To discover what notes and chords have been used, we need to go into the MIDI editor. Double-click on the blue track. If you can't see the first notes or lines, scroll up or down until you can. Rewind the track and click play. Click on the first line. You will notice on the keyboard that a black note plays with the number 7 on it. To find out what this note is, click on Pitch. Now you can see the names of the notes. Click on the first line again. The black note that is being played is a C sharp. Now click on the second line. What note is being played now? Yes, it's a G sharp. Repeat this for the third and fourth line. You can see these are A sharp and F sharp. To find out what the first chord is, click on the first short note. If you can't see it, zoom out. Scroll up. Click on that first short note. It's a C sharp. Now the second. A G sharp. And the third. An F. That's an arpeggio of the first chord. Here's the second. Let's find out what this is. G sharp, D sharp, C, third chord, first note, A sharp, second note, F, third note, C sharp, and finally first note, F sharp, C sharp, A sharp. So the first chord is C sharp major, the second is G sharp major, the third is A sharp minor, and the fourth is F sharp major. If we keep doing this, we can slowly learn how to play the song. But now let's discover how we can remix a song and make our own version. Click on the cross on the keyboard to make it disappear. I'm going to rename the first track as Melody, which is the tune that Lewis Capaldi sings. And for now, let's call this track Chords. Rather than have two pianos playing, I'm going to change the instrument that is playing the second track. To do this, I'm going to solo the second track. Click on the piano icon, click on Piano, and then Guitars. Click on 12-string guitar and choose Acoustic Guitar. Take the solo off and listen to the two tracks together. As you can see, it's easy to change the instrument of any MIDI track. So let's have some fun. I'm going to change the melody track. And now the chords track. Add a beat, down to loops, all loops. I like the speed garage beats, and I notice that they are 126 beats per minute, so it makes sense to change the speed of the song to suit the beat. So going up to the BPM here, I'm going to change to 126 and press return, and now I'm going to add some of those speed garage beats to the song. So here's a quick example of what is possible. So that's just an example of what's possible. If you like this version and want to collaborate with me, find Pheelix on BandLab. Remember, there are hundreds of instruments and thousands of audio samples and MIDI files in BandLab. So download the MIDI file of your favourite song and learn the art of songwriting by experimentation and having fun. Till the next time, take care and keep making music. If you want to become BandLab Master, check out my complete songwriting course. And don't forget, all subscribers to my YouTube channel get 50% off with the code below in the description. Till the next time, take care and keep making music.